Hey guys, Ethan here from Family Handyman. Gotta be honest with you, I'm a sucker when it comes to any nifty layout or measuring tools. And ever since I got my first laser level, I fell in love. They're a great way to hang a couple of pictures or for a full-blown kitchen remodel. And this Craftsman green crossline laser level has a bunch of great features. One of the great things about this laser level is how compact the whole package is. It easily fits into your toolbox or away in any shop drawer. An important thing I think we talk about with this is its value. You can go out and easily spend $300 to $500 on a laser level, but getting a laser that's self-leveling, has a green line, all for under $100, I find crazy. This Craftsman laser level has a bunch of great attributes, but initially you'll notice one of my favorite is the green laser. It's a lot easier to see than the traditional red color. Like everything in the world, nothing's perfect, and this laser level does have a couple of flaws. The first is it's very hard to see outdoors. It doesn't matter what conditions it's in, unless it's completely dark outside, you'll never pick up the laser. The other is the included mount. Though small and cumbersome, it's difficult to micro adjust, but there is a saving grace. If you have a tripod laying around from an old photography project, or you can run down to the thrift store, the 1/4-20 inserts in the unit themselves thread on great, and it makes for easy adjustability. All that being said, it's small size, the green laser, the self-leveling action, and the value make this Craftsman cross-line laser level Family Handyman approved. For more great products we've tested and approved, come visit us at familyhandyman.com.